Humidifiers. Dry air in your home can lead to discomfort, itchy skin, irritated sinuses, and even damaged furniture. Maintaining the right humidity levels is essential for your health and your home. A whole home humidifier works by adding moisture to the air as it passes through your HVAC system. This keeps humidity levels balanced, making your home more comfortable and helping to protect wood furniture, flooring, and other materials. Balanced humidity not only improves comfort, but can also reduce energy costs while making your home feel warmer in the winter. So you can lower your thermostat without sacrificing comfort. Professional installation is crucial to ensure your humidifier integrates seamlessly with your HVAC system. Anything less can lead to water leaks or even worse, standing water, which breeds harmful mold and bacteria. Regular maintenance of your home's humidifier, like scheduling an annual filter replacement, is essential to system longevity, energy efficiency, and year-round comfort. Upgrade your home's indoor air quality. Schedule today